Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investor. What a special day, what a historic day for SPCE and Virgin Galactic. We have just watched the final flight of VSS Unity carrying 4 passengers. We've just had the release. Everything seems to be successful. Let's have a look at the chart and what this means for Virgin Galactic. I'd like to first cover some of the tweets from Virgin Galactic. We've got 4 astronauts. We've got 1 from Italy, 1 from Iran, EU flag there, US flag there. I think we've got a US flag there with maybe an Israel flag. We haven't got the names of the passengers. We've just got astronauts 027, 028, 029 and 030. Four passengers there. We then also have a picture earthbound once again. VSS Unity is en route to Spaceport America, New Mexico. Amazing news there. And here we go. This was the release from VSS Unity, the last flight. Let's have a quick look at the charts. What we're looking at here is Virgin Galactic. We've had the buy zone previously at around 75 cents, 80 cents. It went all the way up to our sell zone of around 134, came back down to our next buy zone of 85 cents, and then the next day it went up 34%. Remember, I'm not giving financial advice here, I'm giving my opinions on how I trade the stock. I like to accumulate SPCE. A lot of people like to hold SPCE long term. There might be a DCA strategy people use. However, the way I DCA is I DCA at points where I see value and areas where there might be bounces because limit orders are placed there. So for example, when I buy here and in the next few weeks it goes up 60-70%, I like to sell some of my shares so I can buy at the next zone if it does come back down. And the next zone was 85 cents. The next day it popped about 30-40%. So again, I sold some more to buy back. Unfortunately, what we see here on the chart is a break of support and a test of resistance, meaning I think SPCE will come back down to maybe 78 cents. That's my next buy zone, and then maybe it'll pop back to 85 cents. I might sell a few of my shares, and then the next time round it might come down to 75 cents. So my buy zones that are set up, always having money on the side in case it does come back lower, are 78 cents, 75 cents, 65 cents, and 50 cents worst case scenario. We also have some questions we've been asking ChatGPT. We've got a question here where I asked, why is this flight important for the stock and the company? The answer was it's for several reasons for the overall company stock and overall business. One is it's a commercial milestone. The flight marks Virgin Galactic's 7th commercial flight, highlighting the company's capability to, let me bring it to you in a different screen as well to see it better. Achieving this milestone reinforces Virgin Galactic's position in emerging commercial space travel history, potentially boosting investor confidence. The operational reliability, successfully executing this mission without any issues, will demonstrate the reliability and safety of Virgin Galactic's operations, crucial for attracting future customers and investors. So please do hit the like button for the coverage. I do greatly appreciate it. Any comments, leave down below, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. The financial impact, revenue generation, each successful flight is about £450,000 per seat. Research and development achievements, scientific contributions. The flight includes research experiments from Axiom Space University and others. Successfully conducting these experiments showcases Virgin Galactic's capability to support scientific research, attracting further partnerships and contracts. This will be great for the Delta fleet. Having established some contracts would be amazing. Innovation showcase, the inclusion of advanced experiments such as propellant slosh studies and new 3D printing technology positions Virgin Galactic as a leader in space-based research and innovation. Positive publicity, high-profile missions attract media attention, which can enhance the company's public image and brand recognition. Positive media coverage can lead to increased interest from retail and institutional investors. Remember, one thing that is key for Virgin Galactic that they're not doing is marketing. They can be employing literally a graduate student from a university, and they'll be doing a better job at marketing than what they're currently doing, in my opinion. They need to be showcasing what they're doing. They need to be showing us the factories. They need to be updating us. And here we've got some live footage of the landing here. So I'll bring that to you now.
Just over 48 hours ago, the Super Heavy booster. listen.
This is separate, I believe. So we can head back here. I thought that was live, but it wasn't. Regulatory and safety validation, FFA approvals. Remember, they've got the Boeing case going on, and I believe even if they lose the case, they have enough money to see through the Delta fleet. They just need to be very stringent with how they use their money. Key flights about this mission is the final flight of VSS Unity before the Virgin Galactic fully dedicates its resources to development and production of the Delta-class spaceships, expected to enter service in 2026. Transition to Delta-class spaceships. The Delta-class spaceships are designed to significantly enhance operational capabilities of Virgin Galactic. These next-generation vehicles are expected to offer higher flight frequencies and reduce operational costs. And remember, there will be spaceports all over the world with hotels and stuff like that, which will really help bring more revenue in. The scientific and commercial value, the Galactic 07 mission will carry out both private astronauts, 4 astronauts that we just saw the picture of, and research payloads from institutions like Axiom Space, Purdue University, and UC Berkeley. The dual focus on scientific research and commercial space tourism underscores Virgin Galactic first-star platforms for suborbital missions. Implications for the company: strategic shift, investor confidence, operational milestones. In summary, with the Galactic 07 mission marks the end of VSS Unity commercial flights. It represents the new beginning of a new phase for Virgin Galactic, focusing on the more advanced Delta-class spaceships and aiming for higher operational efficiency and market expansion. So there it is, another historic day. Very sad to see the final flight, but it's the beginning of a new era. And we look forward to it, and there it is, the flight landing there. So it's been an amazing day. Again, thank you to Zach Zate, who always provides us with information, a big investor. And if you want to see some more videos from him, they're on the SPCE playlist, which I will leave here, and something else that might be of worth your viewing will be here. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.